the people on the shoulder of this pond. This pond is in the back where the river is. Right? As you can see, the river right here. Right, this is some rock on the river is right here. This is the piece of land that was cut. Right, so just showing how we're going over the pond there. Right. This pond, it belongs to the people where the pumping jack and the thing where the pumping jack is. The people who just control the pumping jack can see what the pumping jack and thing. So we see now about it, because this is them over the companies or whatever. Them is the one where they dig this pond a couple of years ago. I can't remember how long, more than 10 or 15 years maybe. Right? They was to clean it and have it. I think it had fence and stuff. It had fence and thing around it. Alright, and after some like some years I just stopped seeing about it. Right? A little bit of fish and stuff inside here. Right? So this has been abandoned now. I just come over there, we come here to my dad come to clean. Yeah, some tree already showing you not the one of the tree they go away clean and it had a nickel one. Came to clean it, we clean it clean. Right? So I'm just showing you this pond here. There's the pond, because I see it one day. I didn't want to go there for remember. I forget about this. And see, I remember. Right, so there's been this subsidy. Right, this shifted. Right, the chasing pump, you can see the part, the front one. I don't know if I could get it. Right, so the people who control and this is their pond here. Right? But the bushy around. Now it's morning. Now is 9:50 on a Wednesday morning. Wednesday the 17th of September. I the best I could get it kind of way. And just more zoom. Right. Bushy right around. As I can see. But it have water in it. Right. Even if I catch myself in there, I just wanted to put myself. And so if my hand block a little just now when I was moving back the food. Some ants. Yeah, just shifting out down over the front ant. Let's see if I can get it so it's better. Right, so this is the trees and stuff. I see it have like a big nest or something here. Right, so the dog is a long time ago, about 15 years and more, 10 years and more, I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I know it's a couple years ago they abandoned it, maybe about I can't get that average though. So just get collecting water when rainfall or when you have flood, when the flood comes, the water you call the sea. All here where there's the flood. Right again. But the river is right there. Here's where the farmer cut water there and thrown on the tree and in the river. Right? So then I give you a zoom again. Right, so this is the pond. It look clean right or wrong, but I don't know what it have inside here. Right. So this is the pond. So all here, what you see this here, how water. The end of the pond is somewhere here, I think. But as you see, get bushes. I try to get the pumping jack. I can't get it too bushy. So as you can see, I think it's an angle. What is it? Best is over bushy. And the pumping jack. Okay, I got different corners here, so I put a new one. Pond. This is the pond. And one more time I want to get the pumping jack before I leave. I don't know if I get anything. I cannot see the screen. The sun is in my eyes, so I cannot see the screen. I don't know how I can keep all this one so up so far. And I keep on a minute or so, or 30 seconds or so water the pumping jack. Alright, so this is the pond here. I have good of the season, but best I could get it. Thanks for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. One time my beautiful twin island of Trinidad and Tobago. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Oh wait, hold on, it's windy. So thanks for watching. I'm out. Right, I just go and I just get in just a couple seconds again and I'll stop. So I can see it again.